Afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Just been doing a little bit of maintenance on the Thundercat. First thing I've done is I've fitted these new indicators. Before there was a flush fit indicator on this side, and which didn't fit properly and was kind of rubbish. I had to get some backing plates for this one because I'd lost the originals, so I got some of them off eBay for less than a tenner, and then I put these new indicators on, which look dead good, I think, and I've replaced all four of them. The two at the front and the two at the back are also brand new, full set of four. They look great, so I'm quite pleased with that, and obviously they all work fine. Checked that they all worked after I'd wired them all in. So that's the first thing I did, and then the other thing I've done, I've given the bike a general wash, but I've also given the chain a really good clean. See, about a couple of weeks ago, or a few weeks ago, I did a video where I was stranded, broken down in Edinburgh, coming back from work because the master link had broken on the chain. Well, this is actually the same chain. Now, some of you might remember some of the video showing that chain and what state it was in. Well, actually, I thought it was actually a lot worse than it is. As you can see, it's actually not bad at all. I've given it a really good clean. We've shot loads of degreaser on it, and given it a good scrub with a wire brush, and it's actually come up pretty decent. And not only does it look a whole lot better, it also runs a whole lot freer. See, watch this. So I can spin that easily by hand, and it just spins round and round and round, which is a whole lot better, because before you couldn't easily do that. It was quite a struggle to spin it before, because the chain was so kind of stiff and had all sorts of kind of stuck links and all sorts. So it actually makes a real difference just cleaning the chain, because the chain looked that bad that I actually thought I was going to replace it. I was actually planning to get a new chain and replace it, because I did the Honda's chain the other day. I just did a video about that the other day, some of you might have seen that, and because that chain wasn't too expensive, so I thought I might get one for the Yamaha, but decided to give this a clean, and I'm really pleased with the results. So I don't think I'll bother to replace it. I think I'll just keep it as it is just for now. So obviously it doesn't have any lube on at the moment, because I've just finished cleaning it just like half an hour ago. So I'm going to get some lube on it just now, and then I'm going to take the bike out for a run, which I won't be able to video, unfortunately, because I don't have an action cam working at the moment. But anyway, so that's pretty much it really. Just cleaned it up and replaced the indicators, and it just seems a whole lot better. There'll no doubt be other bits and pieces that I'll probably do over the coming weeks and months, but that's a couple of the basics done just for now anyway. Alright, thanks for watching. See you later.